Welcome back to Theme Park HD, where this holiday season we redefine HD as in holiday destinations. For this HD experience, we come to you from the Coca-Cola Classic Christmas, hosted at Choctaw Stadium, Arlington, Texas, the former home of the 2023 World Series champions Texas Rangers.
And so I'm offering this simple praise to kids from 1 to 92.
Did you know Enchant, the event producer, hosts these classic Christmas experiences here in Dallas, Houston, San Antonio, and Oklahoma City? This Christmas experience is highly attended during the holiday season, meaning arrive early to park, enter the stadium, and to see the main attractions, while enjoying some great food including items from the State Fair of Texas. We can dance if you want to leave them far behind. We can dance all night. As we exit the dance floor, we warp through the candy cane tunnel as it takes us to the mythical and magical lands ahead. Our first meet and greet is with the Coca-Cola polar bear. Prepare to wait in line as he is a popular attraction. Our next character visit is with Mrs. Claus. Grab some cocoa as we hear the story of Santa told from the Mrs. herself. The man of the hour, and the wait could be an hour for a chance to tell Santa if you've been nice or naughty. This is a paid photo op. As we departed Santa's Landing, we quickly find ourselves in the Sip and Slide Summit area, a premium paid attraction that features downhill tubing. Bring your wallet along with your patience. We now slide into the skate rink, the second premium attraction requiring additional tickets above and beyond the gate entrance. Sit back and enjoy the point of view from yours truly. As we burn some calories and build up some lactic acid in the legs, we make our way into the Enchanted Eatery area, a picturesque landscape full of LED creatures and yummy foods, offered by the State Fair of Texas. If you need a break, stop by the ThemePark Lounge, grab a popcorn and a seat as we sit back and watch some classic Christmas movies. As we zip through the market square, there are vendors and artisans on site for all kinds of gifts, foods, and exclusive event offerings. If you haven't spent all of your money yet, you will here. Again, we thank you for joining us, Theme Park HD, as we brought another holiday destination to you. Make sure you subscribe and like.